Hello everyone, we are here. We are going to complete this PowerPoint presentation that we created by using AI and another things. We created these two parts in previous lessons. Now we are going to create this part, ethical consideration and challenges in AI. Now for that we have two options. We go to YouTube. We can search for PowerPoint presentation templates, and you see we have very beautiful ones as these. There are many templates, many lists with many views. We can create them, use them. You see there are many amusing things. For example, this is looking very great. You see it's a 24 video template, and you can use this and anything we have here. But the important thing is that they are very useful and you can use from one of them and learn how to create them. For example, this playlist, it teaches you how to create this in almost a little time. You can see how to create this template. You see the first thing and everything you have here. You can use it, but for now I'm not going to use this template. I'm going to use one of the templates that I previously created in my channel. Let's go to my channel. How I can go to my channel, I don't really know, but I think we maybe from here. Okay, view your channel. I also have a playlist that we can use here. For example, we have template for PowerPoint. I open it, and also we have another thing, PowerPoint templates. We open both of them. You see we have many templates. The important thing about these templates are they are not complete templates. They are one slide, and you can use anything you want for one slide of your presentation. For example, we are going to use which template we are going to use. It have many options. We have 50 template here, and also we have, okay, I'm not robot, boss. Okay, motorcycle. How it think I'm robot, I don't know. Okay, let's go. One of the amazing things about the being robot or not is that this algorithm do what it's really amazing. The thing that this algorithm is doing, it's monitoring your mouse, and from where your mouse go, understand that you are a robot or not. You see we have here almost I think 1000 templates you can use. There are many things different and amazing, but what we are going to use, we are going to use one of the templates we have here, this one. This is really easy and with a black theme. For that, let's go to this video. Okay, let's just see the template at first. You see, from this thing we need 4 topic and 1 title. Okay, let's go and create them. You can go and see this video, but we are going to create this really fast. We go to our PowerPoint and we create a slide here, new slide, another new slide, and we format the background to black. Okay, it's good. And we can also set the background to white and do it in another way. Let's go with white. We insert our title. What is our title? Our title is this thing. No, we paste it here. Make it upper. Increase it in size by pressing Ctrl. Go to shape format. Color it up and increase it in size. Now it's ready for use. Okay, we create the title, but we need to create that circles and how they work. We create circles. Let's say 1, 2. Press Shift and Control for the best performance. Let's go by 3. 3 is good for now. 3 templates. Then we put them black. And write the text in the invite. Okay, our template is created. We are going to modify it and add text to it in the next video. Don't forget to ask me if you need anything, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.